Click on Calculus. Let's go down to higher order derivatives. And 3-2. See, we already did that. There is no 3-3. Let's move over here then. 4-1. How about that? Alright, it says find. What does this mean? Take the second derivative. Find y double prime. And I'm going to take a second here and write this down. X squared minus 10 raised to the fifth power. Okay. So let's move over to the whiteboard. And what do we got? We got y is equal to x squared minus 10, and it's raised to the fifth power. And we want to find y double prime. But the first thing we're going to need to do is find y prime, obviously. So take the 5 out front. It's the general power rule, by the way. X squared minus 10. Subtract 1 from the exponent. And then we take the derivative of the inside and bring it out. So that's just going to be 2x. Now what we'll want to do is rewrite this thing. So we'll bring that to, so we're going to have 10x, x squared minus 10, and then we got raised to the fourth power. So now what we're going to want to do is use the product rule, because now we got to find y double prime, which means we got to take the derivative of this. Okay, so we have y double prime is equal to, so we take the derivative of 10x, which is just 10, and then rewrite. So we have x squared minus 10 raised to the fourth power, and then we're going to say plus, and then we rewrite the first part, 10x. And now we take the derivative of this guy here, so bring the 4 out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and then we take the derivative of what's inside, and that's going to be 2x. Alright, and of course we can clean this up a little bit, and we're going to do that. To clean it up, I don't know what that was. We got y double prime is equal to 10 x squared minus 10 raised to the fourth power. Oh my God, what was that? We got, we can actually do some factoring here if we want. We got 4 times 10 is 40 times 2 is 80, right? And then x times x is x squared. I don't know in the answer if I actually factor this or not. But we could factor out a 10, for example. I think we'll do that. We're going to do this just for the heck of it. And then we can factor out an x squared minus 10, and we always factor the one out that has the smallest exponent, and that'll be this one here. So we'll pull 3 of them out. Alright, so we factored out this 10. We pulled out 3. There's 4 there, so there's going to be 1 left. X squared minus 10. And then we pull a 10 out of 80. Like, can you pull a 10 out of 80? Yeah, sure you can. You're left with 8. And then, of course, we couldn't pull any of those out, so we have to leave that in there. And then, I guess we'll write y double prime again, y double prime. I'm not sure if I actually do this in the final answer, but it's good exercise. X squared minus 10 raised to the third power. We have x squared, we have 8x squared, so that's going to be 9x squared minus 10. And we are done. We're done with that anyway. Let's, I doubt if that's exactly how far I go, but you never know. Oh, I haven't, well, wait a minute. I didn't factor it out. But you see how to do that now, right? Factor it out. And the reason you're seeing this is if you click on the help button, it's going to say watch the video. Okay, so looks good. Yeah, that's it. All right, I'll see you back here. All right.